So it will be a multiple choice question and the time will be 10 to 12 minutes. Very important. I will give you questions where might be 8 questions. Okay, will be, just choose the right answer. Just directly you can choose it. Okay, and 2 questions might be on numerical. It will still be multiple choice question, but you have to do some maths and then you have to select the right answer. I'm just giving an approximation. Okay, so maybe these 8 questions will have 8 marks and these 2 questions maybe have around 2 marks each, so maybe 4 marks or maybe 3 marks each. So 4 marks, maybe I'll put it as 6 marks. Okay, so that means total would be 8 plus 6, 14 marks. Okay, time would be just 10 to 12 minutes. I hope you understand the reason, because there might be some questions you can Google and find the answer. I don't want you to do that. I want you to concentrate on the question. For numerical, you are not going to Google and find out the answer that easily. It's going to take time. That's why I've given more marks here. You have to do it and then find out the answer, right? And this will be 8 marks. So later on, please don't complain that you got less time. This is just damage control, nothing else. Okay, don't worry. And here the more important thing would be in a good internet network zone at least for 10 minutes. Okay, I'm expecting this because what happens is after the exam is over, if someone comes to me and tells me that my internet was not good because of which I was not able to appear for the quiz, I understand that's a valid reason, but I hope you also understand that in case you tell me that, okay, and later on I cannot again conduct a quiz, it will be so difficult because there are 180 odd students. Okay, if many of you have missed, then again I have to conduct one more quiz for all those students. Okay, it will be very difficult for me. So it's my request that kindly make sure that in that 10 to 12 minutes you are in a good network zone. Okay, so please make sure you do that, because I'm going to conduct the quiz via Microsoft Teams. Okay, I'm going to conduct the quiz via Microsoft Teams. For that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a sample quiz, and let me just do it here. Okay, what I'll do is, you see basically how to create a quiz. Maybe when you are a teacher one day and you are using Microsoft Teams, this tutorial will work. I'll basically, what I'll do is I'll create the quiz like this. Okay, I hope it works. Yeah, this is there, and this is something which is seen on my dashboard. Okay, I can create a quiz because I'm the admin of this class, and it shows like this, and I've not created any quiz till now, so I'm just create a quiz now. And this is the quiz that would look something like this for me. Okay, so maybe I will just write it down as sample quiz. Okay, this is sample quiz. Okay, this is an MCQ, and maybe I'll put some additional instruction regarding timer. Okay, I'll do that, and I will just put add new, and I will make it a choice based question. I can make it a text based question, or maybe file upload question where you will actually write it down in a paper and upload it, but I'm just going to keep it as choice based. I think that will be easy. And question, maybe let's take an example. Who is credited with the discovery of special theory of relativity, right? Let's say this is a simple question. Okay, and maybe I can give you some option. Isaac Newton, okay, maybe Albert Einstein, right? And then maybe I can write down it as Albert Michelson, right? Or maybe none. Okay, I'm just giving you some sample result here. So this is none, and then I can choose the right answer and keep it here like this. Okay, so I know the correct answer, you don't know the correct answer. As soon as you submit, after everything is submitted, then you will be able to see what is the correct answer. This is how this form works. So Albert Einstein, this is the correct answer. Okay, and then this is done. So this is the question that I have, right? And then I want to put some marks for this, so maybe I will do it here. Okay, okay. It's the problem with themes. I don't really like this. It's not very clear. Okay, anyway, points, I'll put 1 point for this. This is a multiple answer. That means one answer can have multiple options. I'm not doing it because one answer, if it has multiple options, it will be selected. If it is not, then you will know that there is only one answer. Okay, required, I won't put it. You want might to answer, you don't want to answer, it's fine. I will shuffle the options, maybe I can do it, but that is different, that is not needed right now. So anyway, this is the point. Okay, so this is done. So this is done, sample quiz. So this is the quiz that has already been created, but I have not assigned it to the class. Okay, so I'll just keep it saved. So what I will do is I'll create a quiz and keep it saved. Now in assignment I will go and I will assign you the quiz. Now what I will do, I'll go to quiz again, and now my quiz will be visible. This is a quiz that I have created today. So I'll just click on sample quiz and I will go for next. And as soon as I go for next, this is already there, and category and all I don't need to do. I can edit the time here, and this is the time that I'm not going to change. As soon as I assign, you will see the quiz in your post, and I'm going to take the time. So maybe this is 3rd March. So today is 2nd March. I'll just keep it on 2nd March. Okay, and maybe I want you to submit within 10 minutes, right? So it is around 3 p.m. in my watch. So I will put it as 15:10 and in my watch. So this is 3:10 p.m. you have to submit. Okay, assignment will post immediately with late turn-ins allowed. So I'm not going to allow late turn-in. So that means if you submit it late, you probably won't be able to submit it. Okay, so this is your due date, that is there, already done. Okay, assignment post with late turns in allowed. Okay, close date, I just put a close date here. So late turn in won't be allowed. So if you are late in submitting, I won't accept it. I hope you understand the reason why I want to do this, because everyone might have answered, your friend might have answered, then your friend will say, okay, this answer is A, this answer is B, this answer is C, and then you will answer it. So that will be a kind of copy. Okay, so just to control the damage control, I'm not saying that you will do that, but then you are also a student, मैं भी कभी student था, तो आ जाता है मन में कभी कभी लालच, ठीक है? So this is very important. So I can schedule a quiz. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to do that during the class hours only. So close date, this would be the close date, and then I will put done. And when I do it, late turn-ins not allowed. That means if you're late, you cannot submit. That's it. I hope it works that way. I've never tried it, but this is the way it should work. Okay. And then what I will do, I will go for assign. This is already assigned. For you, how can you access it? You can go to the assignment section and check, or you can just go to the posts, or maybe on the main screen of the teams of this particular class. Go to the main teams of this particular class. So this is your section C official. Go at the bottom. You should be able to see it. Okay, I don't know where is it. It should be there. Okay, if it's not there, then you can directly access it from the assignment. Okay, that's very important. Yeah, I think it came now. Yeah, this is sample quiz. This is due March 2nd. Everything will be there. You can just do the view assignment section. So when you view it, you will look like something like this. So see, I'll be able to see whether you have sent it or not. So what I want you to do today is you try it. Okay, so student view, you will look into it something like this. You'll be able to see it like this. 1 point. This is the student view. As soon as you click on it, you will be able to see it. Okay, this is your computer view. If you are using a mobile screen, you are going to see it something like this. Okay, I'm training you on this because I want you to know how to use this form, and then this is there, your email will be there, and you will submit the form, and then I'll be able to see it. Log in from your official MET account. So is credited with the discovery of STR. I'll just click on the right answer and I'll go for submit. As soon as I submit, you will get this information. Thanks, your response was submitted. That's it. You don't need to do anything else. Okay, I can just go, you can go to the view results and see how much you scored. So you can see your result then and there. Okay, and what I will see is, okay, if I just go to my view, okay, not this. Okay, if I go to my view, okay, maybe I can close this. Full screen here, let's go back. Okay, back. So this is my view. What I will see is, if you have submitted, turned in, it will come as turned in. So I'll just see turned in. So like Giriraj has viewed it, so he can click on the correct answer and submit. Giriraj, can you do it? Can you click on the right answer and submit?
So check, I did it, sir. Soumya Agarwal.
Yeah, see, Prakhar did, Rajveer did, okay, Soumya did, correct, Sheikh Muhammad did, right? So many of you have already done it. So this is how the quiz will be done. And why I am training you on this, because we are going to follow this procedure for the next 3 units as well. So I'm going to keep this recording in Teams, so that if any of you are confused that how to actually appear for these quiz in Teams, it will be easy for you.